Alright, this is Ernie again. Let's see, we're going to fix this. Freestyle Libre 14 day. What time is it? It's almost 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm going to take my, there it is, 196. So, I'm getting ready to eat, so got to take 3, I'm going to take 5 units of rapid acting. Check the box. Add. What did I say? 5? Yeah. That's what I'm going to take. 5. I'm going to press OK. Got the OK. Food. Bunch of food there. And then I'm going to add, I have no idea what the carbs, but I'm going to have an Arby's, I'm not allowed to have Arby's because of my kidneys and everything, but what the heck. Tired of not eating. I'm tired of starving to death. Okay, I put 21 carbs. And I punched OK and OK. So got Novolog. Punch in 5. That's 5. Get the needle out. Put the needle on the quick acting Novolog. And get one of these wipe things, one of these alcohol wipe things, rip the thing off. Who cares if you rip it off and only half of the wipes there. But I have long pants on now, so I'm gonna put it in my stomach. I try not to put it in my stomach because I think made me fatter. I ain't putting that insulin in there. So I wiped it. Now take the needle. It doesn't. Put it in my stomach. Click. 5 units. Went out to get Arby's thing. Had to wear the mask everywhere. And to be courteous, you wear the mask. Don't say, oh, I'm against this, I'm against that. We'll wait and see what happens after the election. I was talking to a lady in the one of the stores I went into, and she works there, and was talking about how she has to be rude to people, but she has no choice because, you know, she'll get fired from her job. But we'll see how long all this takes. Okay, so I took my 5 and then went to good old Arby's. I bought 6. They had those 2 for $6. Get my face too close to the thing, and then you see how really ugly they are. But anyway, yeah, it's the Arby's. It's cheap. 2 for $6. I'm not allowed to eat that. I have carrots, celery. I'm a vegan. And this, put this barbecue sauce on. But now that I have this, I can eat more comfortably. If I, in a little while I can take my blood sugar again if it got too high, because I ate this stuff and drank this Gatorade. I'm not supposed to drink it either. Oh, not good for your kidneys. Starve to death. Eat everything shitty. You die, you die. But that's the way it goes. Hopefully it gotta go quick. But anyway, I'm not gonna, this thing here makes it so maybe I have a longer time. I don't know. Freestyle Libre 14-day. Yeah, this is a sensor is what it is. Now I don't know what they call that, but it's good. Take it one more time just to see. Look, just in there, 189. Says straight ahead. But so later on, after I eat, you know, about a half hour or so, I'll check it, and if it's too high, I'll take a little more of the quick acting, because tonight, yeah, you know, somewhere around 5 to 7, whatever, I'll take 30 more units of the long lasting, and everything should be fine. Okay, so we'll keep doing these. We're on should say what day we're on. It ends in 8 days, so we'll keep doing it, and then we'll see. You can go back to the beginning when I started this, when I applied the sensor, and then we'll see how much easier it got for me this time, because I'm going to remember, and every time it's going to be easier and easier and easier, more and more convenient. Just take care of yourself, and don't live like a slave. And that's a whole nother thing. I was thinking about slaves. You know what slave I'd have hated to be the worst would be like the Egyptian slaves that had to build the pyramids. Could you imagine how miserable that would have been? And the Egyptian slaves were probably Egyptians, the lower class peasants, as opposed to the royalty ones. They're still well mummified, and I found some recently. But anyway, don't let the system tear us apart, all of us Americans apart, and bullshit us. We're all Americans together. I'm not, whatever. Okay, you guys know what I'm talking about. Have a beautiful day till the next Libre film. Like, share, subscribe. Love everybody. I don't know how you can say I love everybody, but anyway, pretty much love everybody. Take care.